Hello everyone. Now in t-test we are going to start our next method, that is paired t-test for difference means. See, in this method two samples are given. We have to test effect after and before. For example, a particular drug given to some patients. So what is an effect of a drug before it given and after? Okay. Sometime we are taking intensive coaching or training. So we have to test training is effective or not. એટલે કે ટ્રેનિંગ પહેલાના ડેટા ટ્રેનિંગ પછીનો ડેટા બંનેને કમ્પેર કરીએ આપણે તો આપણને ખ્યાલ આવે ટ્રેનિંગ ઇફેક્ટિવ છે કે નહીં. But our hypothesis is mu is equals to 0. That means there is no change. There is no change after given drug, after given training, etc. etc. એટલે કોઈ ચેન્જ નથી થતો એવી આપણે હાઇપોથિસિસ લેવાની છે. H0, તો કે mu does not equals to 0. T calculated value is d bar into root n minus 1 upon s, and see here d equal to difference between d equal to, we can write x1 minus x2, or it can also be written as x2 minus x1. Okay, so d is difference between the data after and before. D bar sigma d upon n, and s equals to sigma d square upon n minus sigma d upon n whole square. It can also be written as sigma d square upon n minus d bar whole square, because sigma d upon n equal to d bar. Okay, so let us start our sums. Okay, see, this is our first sum. The sales data of an item in 6 shops before and after, see the word before and after a special campaign, a promotional campaign, are as under. Then by data is given. Can the campaign be judged as success? એટલે આપણે શું ટેસ્ટ કરવાનું છે કે માર્કેટમાં કેમ્પેન એડવર્ટાઇઝમેન્ટ કરવામાં આવે છે. બિફોર એડવર્ટાઇઝમેન્ટ, આફ્ટર એડવર્ટાઇઝમેન્ટના આપણે સેલ્સ ડેટા આપેલા છે. તો એડવર્ટાઇઝમેન્ટ ઓર સ્પેશિયલ પ્રમોશન ઇઝ ઇફેક્ટિવ ઓર નોટ, બરાબર છે, આપણે ટેસ્ટ કરશું. સો ફર્સ્ટ રાઇટ ડાઉન હાઇપોથિસિસ H0. Mu does not equals to 0. Wait, yes, mu equal to 0. Hypothesis H0. What happened? Okay, H0 mu equal to 0. H0 mu equal to 0, and H1 mu does not equals to 0. H1 mu does not equals to 0. Okay, now prepare our table first. Okay, wait, let me write our table. So here is our table. First column is x1 before campaign, and second column is x2 after campaign. First we have to find difference between x1 and x2. I am writing here x2 minus x1. Okay, find the difference between 58 minus 53 is 5, 32 minus 28 is 4, 30 minus 32 is negative 2, 50 minus 48 it is 2, then by 6, and then by 3. Okay, now find total of D. It is known as sigma D. Sigma D equal to 9. 2 cancel out. 9 plus 9 is equals to 18. Okay, now squaring this column, D square, find D square. D square equal to 5 square 25, 4 square 16, 2 square 4, then by 2 square 4, 6 square 36, and 9. Okay, now find sigma D square. 25 plus 16 plus 4 plus 4, 8 plus 36 plus 9. It gives us 94. Sigma D square equal to 94. Okay, now find out D bar and S. First we are finding D bar. D bar equals to sigma D upon N. Sigma D upon N is equals to 18 by total N is equal to 6. Therefore, D bar equal to 3. Now find S. First we are finding S square. S square is equals to sigma d square upon n minus sigma d upon n whole square, or we can also write that d bar whole square. Okay, so sigma d square upon n is 94 divided by 6 minus d bar equal to 3 whole square. 94 by 6, let me calculate 94 by 6, it is equals to 15.67. 15.67 minus 9, it is equals to, minus subtract 9 from it, 6.67. 6.67, but we need value of s, therefore s is equals to under root of 6.67, and we will get s equal to, okay, taking under root 2.58. 2.58 is s. Okay, now find t calculated value. It is also written as dc. D bar into root n minus 1 upon s, or you can also write modulus of d bar, both are equal, negative number no आવો જોઈએ. चलो तो d bar we find 3 into root n minus 1 under root of 6 minus 1 equal to 5 upon s is 2.58. Okay, so 3 multiplied by under root of 5. 5 and under root is 2.24 divided by 2.58. 2.58. Okay, now solve this. 2.24 multiplied by 3 divided by 2.58. It gives us 2.6. 2.6. Okay, now find degree of freedom. Degree of freedom is equals to n minus 1. df equals to n minus 1. 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. Okay, now find out t table value for df equal to 5. T table value equals to, let me see the table. So here is our table, and we have to find a table value for degree of freedom 5. For 5, see, at 5% level it is 2.571. Sorry, it is approximately 2.57. Okay, so t table value equal to 2.57. But see here 2.60. 2.60 is greater than 2.57. So here we can write, here t calculated value is greater than t table value, therefore H0 may be accepted, rejected, not accepted. Therefore, we can say that mu does not equals to 0. That means campaign is effective in promotion, or promotional campaign is effective. Okay. This is our second sum. See the question, 12 patients were given a particular medicine and increases in their blood pressure where 268 till 4, can it be said that increases in blood pressure is the result of medicine? તો અહીંયા આપણને આ જે ડેટા આપ્યો છે ને એ રેડીમેડ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરીને આપ્યો છે ડી, ઇન્ક્રીસીસ એટલે વધારો, બટ અહીંયા તમે જોઈ શકો કે ડિક્રીઝ પણ થાય છે, અહીંયા સ્ટેબલ પણ રહેશે. દેટ મીન્સ આપણને મેડિસિન આપ્યા પહેલા અને આપ્યા પછીનો ડિફરન્સ તૈયાર આપેલો છે, સો ઇટ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ્સ ટુ ડી. ઓકે, ચાલો તો આપણો સમ સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. તો પહેલા H0 હાઇપોથેસિસ કે mu does not equals to 0. Mu equal to 0, that means medicine is not effective in increases of blood pressure, and H1 is mu does not equals to 0. Okay, write down D first. D is given, આપણે આખું ટેબલ પ્રિપેર કરવાની કોઈ જરૂર નથી. આ રીતે 2 6 8 10 -4 -2 0 7 1 2 2 and 4. And by squaring this column d square, okay, 2 square 4, 36, 64, 10, 100, 16, then by 4, 0, 49, 1, 4, 4 and 16. Okay, now find total. Sigma d and sigma d square. Sigma d equals to uh, sigma d equals to 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 10, 26, 26 minus 6, 20, 20 plus 7, uh, 20 plus 7, 27, 27 plus 3, 30, 34 plus 6, 36. Sigma d equal to 36 and sigma d square equals to, so sigma d square calculate करिए, 4 plus 36 is 40, 40 is 3, 40 plus 64 plus 100, 164 plus 20 plus 58 plus 16 equal to 298. 298. Okay. Now find out d bar. D bar equals to sigma d upon n, and sigma d upon n is 36 by total number of observations 12, and it is equals to 3. Okay, now find s square. S square equals to sigma d square upon n minus d bar whole square, equal to sigma d square 298 divided by 12 minus 3 whole square. 298 by 12 કરીએ આપણે 298 upon 12 equal to 24.83, 24.83 minus 3 square 9. Okay, subtract 9 from it, minus 9, it gives us 15.83. 15.83. Okay, therefore S equals to under root of 15.83, and it is equals to, see what is under root, 3.98. 3.98. Okay. Now find out T calculated value. T calculated value is equals to D bar into root n minus 1 upon S. D bar we find here 3. Root n minus 1, 12 minus 1 divided by S, we find 3.98 equals to, chalo, 3 multiplied by under root of 11. 11 and its under root is 3.32 divided by 3.98. Okay, calculate करिए तो multiplied by 3 divided by 3.98. 2.49 approximately 2.5. So our answer T calculated value is 2.5. तो बराबर से 2.5. Now degree of freedom. df equals to n minus 1. Degree of freedom equal to n minus 1 equal to 12 minus 1 equal to 11. Therefore t table value equals to, चलो तो 11 માટે આપણે ચેક કરીએ. Let me see the table. So here is our table, and we have to find value of T for degree of freedom 11. At 5% level, see it is 2.20. Okay, 11 માટે આપણે જોઈએ. 11 માટે 2.20 is correct answer. So T table value equal to 2.20. Compare with calculated value 2.50. Obviously, it is greater than T table value. So here T calculated value is greater than T table value. Therefore, H0 may be rejected. Therefore, mu 1 does not equals to 0. That means increases in blood pressure is the result of medicine. Okay, so student આ બહુ easy method હતી. I hope કે તમને સમજાઈ ગયું હશે. તો ટી ટેસ્ટ ની હજી એક મેથડ જે છે એ આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં શીખશું. So goodbye everyone.